How to transfer iPhone photos to external hard drive. So if you want to go ahead and quickly learn how you're going to transfer iPhone photos to an external hard drive, what you're going to want to learn is first of all this. So here's your photos, right? So let's say I have this photo over here and I want to transfer it. So there's many ways to do it. The best way I'd say to transfer it to an external hard drive is either through a data cable, which is basically your iPhone charging cable, okay? Or what you can do is you're going to click on share and you're going to make sure to go to Drive. You're going to upload this on your Drive or you're going to back it up onto your iCloud. And from there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a laptop for yourself. You're going to upload all of those things into a laptop, or even if it's a drive, you're going to open up your Google Drive folder on a laptop. And once you open it from there, you're going to connect your hard drive to your laptop and just transfer those things into the hard drive. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.